G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I am on my way to Domino's. They've got a new crust on their pizza, the cheese toasty crust. Sounds really good, and well, I tell you what, it costs another $2.50. So what I did was ordered a pepperoni and cheese, the $5 lunch special, and got the extra crust put on top. Let's go and see how good a value this extra crust is and see if it's worth getting or not. Come on, Domino's, you can't disappoint me time after time after time, so let's hope they don't do it this time. Let's go get one! Alright, well here we go, the cheese toasty crust pizza. It looks really good on the picture, so I'm really hoping it looks even close to that. Time to suss it out. Yes. Come on, Domino's. Don't disappoint me. Oh wow. Gee, that actually looks like it does on the picture. It's even got like the little bits coming up and here and there, and yeah. Wow. Cheese right to the crust. But how much cheese is actually on it? Well, I guess we're going to find out. Alright, let's see if there's any stretch on this pizza. I'll find a piece that's nice and close to another one. Alright. Come on, stretch. Come on. Right, maybe this one will stretch. Come on, stretch. Come on, stretch. Oh, there we go. Look, it's got to be like a centimetre long. Oh, wow. Well, let's see if this crust can save a Domino's pizza. You'd think anything could, but you never know. Well, there's the crust right to the edge there. An extra $2.50 for some cheese that should already be on there. Shouldn't that be how a pizza's supposed to look all the time? That's what I reckon. Right, let's go. We'll start at the back. I am enjoying that slightly burnt bit of crispy cheese there. Really adds a nice flavour and texture to it. And it really does add some greasiness and oiliness to this pizza. Nothing wrong with a little bit of extra grease and oiliness in your guts. It helps you lose weight by letting the food just pass through really fast and easy. Yeah, not too bad, eh? To be honest, their $5 pepperoni and cheese pizza is probably one of the only decent pizzas that they sell. And with the extra cheese on the crust, it does add that little extra flavour and little extra texture, like I said. For an extra $2.50, is it worth the investment though? Well, I guess we'll find out when I give it my score out of 10. Well, $7.50 for this pizza. And I tell you what, it is a good weight and it does taste pretty good. It's got some good flavours and some decent toppings. Or cover a job. That bit of extra cheese on the crust there, well, it really does add a nice sort of semi-burnt sort of cheese taste to it, which I really quite enjoy. There seem to be enough coverings there of the pepperoni, and the amount of cheese on it all together, well, it was enough, I'm guessing. If not, pretty good coverage. This pizza does weigh quite a lot, and, well, I reckon if I try and eat this all at once, it will really fill me up. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score for the cheesy crust, toasty crust on the Domino's pizza, I think it deserves a... Today I'm giving it an 8 out of 10. I think it's pretty good. I mean, the pepperoni pizza, mate, you can't go past that for $5. Is the extra $2.50 in cheese worth it? Not too sure, but I tell you what, it gives it a lot of good extra weight, and well, it does give it an extra decent flavour and texture and everything, so I think it's pretty well worth a try if you're into Domino's pizzas and you want to try a slightly different crust on a pizza. Today's pizza was pretty good. It had a decent, nice amount of sauce underneath with a cheese covering that was half good, and well, there was enough pepperoni on there as well. If you do get one, I'm pretty sure that you're probably going to enjoy it. You aren't going to sit here and, well, see how many birds want to come and help me finish the rest of this pizza off. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat a pizza. See you then.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where the reviews are finger